It's been a long time coming. A long time coming. For years, I've been here helping you serve your locks and your natural hair growth with healthy maintenance tips, providing you with healthy hair products, and finally, now I have a way to help you nourish your hair growth from the inside out. Introducing Keisha, my new hair, skin, and nails multivitamin. It just so happens that the vitamins and minerals that serve your hair growth, the health of your hair and your scalp, are the same minerals and vitamins that help with your nails and your skin. So rather than just coming out with a hair vitamin, I have a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Results are always the most sustainable when we take a holistic approach. So rather than just serving your hair externally by using something like the horsetail leaf growth oil or the emo oil growth drops, the rosewater moisturizer that we offer on KeishaCharmaine.com, now you can also serve your hair growth on the inside due to what you're consuming, a multivitamin. They are available now. You can get bottles one off, or you can subscribe and get a bottle mailed to you every month. I did my due diligence to make sure that Keisha is clean and effective. And yes, I take these myself. Actually, I didn't take mine yet for today. 2 capsules is a serving. This is the size of the capsule. Click the link down below. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting. Love, light, and locks.